Okay, it's March 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, nakadalawang crank na yung Santa Fe. Hindi pa nag-i-start yung makina. Let's see for the fourth time. Oh my God. Shit. What's wrong with you? Kakatapos lang ng 40,000 kilometer service nito. Ngayon natin sa ignition on para ma-prime daw yung fuel pump. Let's see if it will make any difference. So, fifth attempt. Nagsishake pati oh. Yung battery nito pass the test daw. Oh my God. What am I gonna do with this car? Amaron pa battery nito, July lang last year. At 40,000 kilometer battery test pass daw. Bagong palit ng fuel filter. Ayun. That's the 7th attempt. Kailangan na ibalik to sa Hyundai for check-up. This is not good. Ayan o. 40,000 service pa lang yan. Sige guys. I'll keep you guys posted later on. Thanks for watching.